Hi everyone, welcome back to our Meta Ad series. I am Grace, and today we're looking at Meta's built-in AI tool called Advantage Plus Creative to know which automated settings you should turn on and which ones you should switch off to protect your brand look. So to find the settings of the AI tool, head into your Ads Manager and go straight to the ad level. So in this case, I've prepared a campaign we can use. Next, we have to scroll a bit down to the ad creative. So under ad creative, you will see the Advantage plus creative image generation. So click on edit. This is your visual touch-up settings. So this will safely adjust the brightness of your images to perfectly fit the spaces. And you can choose images that you think is good to add to your campaign. And you can also generate new images if you're not happy with the current result. So if you pick one or two, then click done. And then down here, you see add music. So adding music, I would highly recommend not to turn this on because there are instances that Meta's AI will try to add random tracks to your static images. And so this may not match your professional brand at all. So better to keep it off. Now, if we scroll down a bit down to Advantage Plus Creative Translation. So in this case, this particular campaign is targeted to English-based audience. So there is no need to turn this on. And so we will leave it as is. And there. So have a look at the AI settings, see which one fit your brand, and you still get to keep a control overall. So there you go. For more quick meta ads training, just make sure to check out our Web Wonks walkthrough videos. Thank you and see you in the next one.